I just want to say something, man. One thing I have learned, and this is a fact, when you want certain things done, you have to do it yourself. So if you're a fabricator, if you're a welder, you know what I'm saying, you can build things. Man, look at what you can do. You can build things, literally. You can come up with, you can imagine something and say, hey, I'm going to put this together. Artwork, whatever. So with that being said, there's no reason why you should be broke. Now, everybody go through a situation where they're doing, where money's kind of tight. But if you think outside the box, you could be working on a product. Work on something, man. You know what I'm saying? Build something. Make something. Not only just work for somebody. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about being a product right now. Let's be a product. Let's build something. Let's make something. Let's do a patent. Hey, I want to see one of y'all on the Shark Tank. Hey, I'm trying to go myself. I got a couple ideas I'm working on that I'm going to share y'all with. You know what I'm saying? So I want to do something, man, that's going to really put my name out there. Bam, hog on. This is not only just a service. I'm not just talking and preaching. I'm not just working for somebody. I'm building products that's going to help society. I'm going to help someone else's product be better. You know what I mean? So a lot of times you don't have to just create something completely new. You can see something that's existing and be like, you know what? If we do this and this and this, that'll make that a whole lot better. And you come up with a way to do it that they wasn't thinking of, they'll buy that from you, bro. They'll get that from you. You know what I'm saying? So let's think outside the box. You know what I mean? Let's put some ideas together. Let's figure out what we can make. You see what I'm saying? Let's sell something, man. Let's do something that's going to really help the infrastructure of America. You see what I'm saying? Let's do something that's going to help our workers. You know what I'm saying? If you're working, you out here in this field, you know it's certain things that, man, this show could make this job a whole lot easier if I had that. Only you know that because you're working. And most of the greatest tools that it has been invented has been by workers. So think about that. Let's do something. Let's make something. We're a product. We're just not welders. You know what I'm saying? We're not only fabricators. You see what I'm saying? We're not only businessmen. You see what I'm saying? We're products. We are creators. You see what I'm saying? We got a skill. We got something that can change the game. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, welding used to be top secret. You see what I'm saying? So if you got the gift to learn this and you really good at this, man, what you can do is, man, you can go to the military just to be a welder. You don't got to even, you know what I'm saying, if that's what you want to do. You see what I'm saying? I mean, there is, man, you don't have no limitations. Let's put that in your mind this morning. No limitations, nothing you can't do. Let's throw everything out the window. I can't do it because of this. No. I got kids. I don't care. You still can do it. You see what I'm saying? It just might be a little harder. You see what I'm saying? Everybody got a stepping stone. You know what I mean? My stuff wasn't easy neither. And it still ain't easy. But I'm going to get there. You know what I mean? And if you want to get there, I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to show you step by step. Because I'm going to take you as I go, as I grow. You're going to be like, okay, I seen this cat grow. I seen him do it. So forget what they talking about to say that you can't do it and that you got a felon and that you got to strike too many strikes on your back and that you black and that you look different. Cut all that. Throw all that away. Right now, we talking about work ethics and products. You see what I'm saying? We creators. We can do anything. Hog on.